Water is essential to life, but are you drinking it the right way? Could there be something with your water bottle which is affecting your health without you knowing it? Welcome to the first episode of Health Hacks, and today we are going to talk about hydrating the smart way. Hydration is more than just drinking water, it's more about the quality and purity of what we consume. Today we explore a simple yet profound hack which can make the world of a difference to your health and the environment too. The problem with plastic. Plastic bottles are everywhere. They often contain microplastics that leach into your water. These are tiny particles that just don't harm your body, but they also contribute to environmental pollution and whatnot. Understanding this issue is the first step towards a healthier hydration habit. So what is the solution? Here comes the power of steel and glass bottles. Switching to steel bottles is just a simple solution but with profound benefit. Steel or glass bottles do not contain harmful microplastics, ensuring a cleaner water. They are reusable and also eco-friendly. So you are killing two birds with one stone. Here is something what I want you to hear. Pure water is world's first and foremost medicine. Makes sense? It makes sense to me. So what are the practical tips for making this switch? Choose a bottle that fits your lifestyle, whether you are seeking a steel bottle for the gym, or you just want to go to a hike, or you want to use a glass bottle to use at your desk while you're working. I have a glass bottle down there. I use that glass bottle to drink water from while I'm working on my desk right here. Clean them regularly and maintain their freshness because these tend to catch bacteria, especially the steel bottles. You have to clean them after the use because there is much more chance of microbial growth happening in that. There are actionable steps which I have provided down in the show notes or in the blog post of this video. It is a small change, but it has profound benefit because this hack goes beyond hydration. It's about conscious living, responsible choices, and making this small change with a big impact. So that was today's health hack. Use steel bottles or glass bottles. That's simple as that. I think it speaks for itself. Now there are a lot of health hacks like these which I share on my social media and on this blog post healthhacks.app. But it doesn't just stop to health hacks, because health hacks is not just the small tips and tricks and the hacks. It's about having a routine, a system created around your life which will help you improve your health for better. Fitness goals, body recomp goal, fat loss or weight gain, muscle gain to be precise, and then performance goal. You want to perform better in the gym, in your sport, you want to get better skin, you want to live a better life and improve the quality of life. I have got you covered for that. I help my clients create these systems around their life, and for you to get into that, there is a simple thing which I'm gonna suggest you. There is a button down below. I do not want to sell you anything. I'm not here to sell my coaching to you, but what I want is to bring you clarity. So for a limited time only, I have a button down there where you can go and book a call. It's free. It is a strategy call where I will discuss with you how we can get you from point A to point B to your desired goal or fitness transformation. That's what I do. I bring you clarity, and I'll also give you a complete roadmap. Also a list of health hacks which you can start implementing right away. That's there. You can go down there and check it out if you want. That was it for today's health hack. I want you to like this video and share this to your friends. Share this blog post, and the links for the bottles and all that, it's all right there in the blog post. So this was Coach Amogh. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you next time. Like, share and subscribe.